Oh, what's up, y'all? This your girl, Go Mom. We at my family house for the second day. Today is Sunday. It's Sunday, and we having just a eating. My mama cooked, and child, it's hot and it's over now. We're gonna leave today, but we still got a few family cars lined up down there. Family, and they having another air show today. I don't know where everybody is, but yeah. Whew, air show today, and I'm still in my feelings because I just had to regroup and gain my sense of. What happened, Auntie? What table? Scooby over there. Hold on, y'all. Hey, this how we get out over here where I live at. Cuz, what up, cuz? Y'all about to be on YouTube. These are all my family. My husband right there, my uncle James, my sister, and all the little children. Only a few children. The baby in the background hollering is none other than Coco. My auntie, my little bitty niece. Ooh, evil. And that's my mama right there with the gray hair serving the food. That's my auntie or her sister. Scooby over there. Pooby over there. These my children right here. All of these mine. Jazz, Rising, Image, 1K, Nivea, Rainbow. Nivea, look. Say hi. Right here. Look right here. Look at Grandma. Look. Say hi, everybody. Look at my phone. Hi, everybody. Oh, Nivea said she ain't stay out today. There go cry, baby. Coco, what's wrong with Coco? Y'all people that watch me, if y'all live in Seminole County, vote Pernell Bush, District 5 for Seminole County Commissioner. Woo! These some of the funerals. Oh, look what they got in the window. Because of my grandmother's health, they have this in the window. Stop. Face mask required. Love and protect. Use hand sanitizer. Social distance. Don't sit too close. Wash your hands. Please wear a mask if you do not have one. Please get one. Please keep 6 feet from mom. All right. Now we're gonna walk around. This is my grandma's flower bed. She loved flowers. This is her little flower bed. And these are some of the flowers that are left over from the funeral. These are some of the flowers that's left because a lot of the family members took their own, which I did get me one too. I got a croton. This is the side of the house. Oh, I like that flower. I like this one. It's too big to go back to Alabama. So, those are just a little bit, honey. It was full over here. Let's do a walk around the house, y'all. I miss walking around and playing around this house growing up as a kid. This is actually not the same house that I grew up at. This is the same house, but this is a new house built on the same spot. So we had an old worn down wood house here, and my grandmother had a farm in her little backyard. This is her little farm, and she growing greens right now. And they actually just harvested a bunch of greens out of here. And they've all grown. And they're being watered right now. They all grew up and Grandma was able to see them. And they grew really, really big. And Grandma had them. She was so happy about them. She sent them to Quincy, Florida, where her sisters and brothers live. Where she actually grew up at. My grandma grew up in Quincy, Florida. My granddad grew up in Midway, Florida. Got airplanes all around. If y'all watch my videos for a while, y'all know I brought y'all back here when my grandfather passed. This was his bait farm, little rigged up bait farm. He always kept baits under here. I don't know what they don't got it on. I don't know what's in there now. Probably just dirt. And this is where he kept his baits at. And this is like a refrigerated thing. And he always kept it closed with these bricks. And it's actually dirt in there now. So I don't know if bait's in there, but I think my uncle did keep up with the baits for a little bit of time. There's dirt in there. He grew baits with them. So this is really a sideways refrigerator, freezer thing. And that was also a bait right there. My granddaddy sold baits for $5 a bucket. What's back there? I don't know what's back there, but yeah, this is my granny house, y'all. This is it right here. Oh boy. The flower I got from my grandma's services look like that one right there. It's a smaller one in a little pot. I wonder if it could grow up and be as big as that one. My grandma loved that plant right there. It's a big one. I think this one is called a croton too. And see, she got all her little seedlings and stuff that she used to love to sit out here in the back door and on the back porch and look at her flowers in her field, her garden. That's what it looked like over here. There used to be a house here when I was little. We used to go over all the time. But that lady passed and then they tore the house down eventually, so that's gone. But that is it, y'all. A tour of my grandma's little backyard. Got him. Got him. That's my other sister. Alouette. Say hey. With my cousins. Oh, that's my cousin in the green.
I'm begging, I'm choosing and begging.
Tanya. Auntie, cousin. What? We go in the house, y'all. Gonna get ready to head out, so I guess I'll show y'all. Look at that. Please wear masks and keep social distance. And we are. Welcome. Fish tank. Listen, y'all. I gave my grandma these fish right here. I gave my grandma these fish when I moved to Alabama. And look how big it's gotten. It was little. That was over 5 years ago. And he's huge. Huge. There's Scooby on the floor. That's Scooby. Coco knocked out. This Coco bad, but hardly from the airplanes. Now this how she look. Look at her little cheeks. My niece. My other niece. Really, you had to do all that? This is my grandmother's chair where she would be sitting. But instead, her pictures are here when she was younger. Bow to the Queen. And all of the memories of my grandmother, because she always sat in this chair. Oh, the bear says her name. And my granddad's chair. Aww. Picture of grandma and granddad. And there's the airplanes. And my granddaddy got a bear too.
They got a green fish over there on the wall.
Yeah, that's my auntie over there. Hey, y'all. Auntie. And we have memorial. Really, auntie.
Memorial right here.
Memorial of grandma. And then we have one for granddad.
Yes, we have two memorials.
Wow.
Same thing.
Look at all of this.
Oh.
Don't nobody know her. Not on YouTube. That's okay. I act another mountain. Get my grandma. That's my mama right there. That's my auntie that y'all just saw. That's my other aunt, and that's my other aunt. These are my uncles. My grandma had 10 kids, 4 plus 6. And all of the pictures. Y'all see me? My grandma with that bonnet. And that's my grandma right there in the middle too in her young days. That's crazy. I don't remember how grandma looked in these young days.
She looks like Tina.
Yeah, she looked just like auntie.
But then as she get older, she looks more. We
She looked like Lenard. Lenard looked like her on her
a little
own.
bit, yeah. But as a baby, it looks like
Ooh, look at grandma right there. She's spoiled. I like that one in the blue. And that one right there. Oh. Yep. Look the memories. It's a whole collage of grandma. And this one is for granddad, what we did 2 years ago. All the family. Ooh, there go me. Me and my daughter on her prom day. Y'all, I'm actually in this picture right here when we was little. I don't know which one me. This one me. And this grandma and granddaddy with all their kids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 of the kids. Look, Uncle Lenard wasn't any kid. And there he is when he was a baby. Okay, y'all. So I just wanted y'all to see these little collages of my family. And my pretty little cousin right here. Hi. No, that was Yeah, say cheese, and it's a video.
Got it?
Yeah, I got it.